How do you live within your means? What I do, I've got a principle called the 50, 20, 10, 10, 10. Right? 50% of every single money that I earn goes to my necessity bucket. Necessity is electricity bill, water bill, bonds, rent, whatever that's necessary for you to survive. Right? 20% goes to my legacy bucket. That is the money that I don't touch. That legacy bucket is the properties that we put that money in. That's the legacy bucket. 10% for entertainment. Another 10% for education. And the last 10% for charity. So it's 50, 30, 10, 10, 10. And the reason why I ask people, what do you do to earn the salary or the money that you have, is because I wanted to tell everyone that irrespective of whatever that you do, you might be earning more salary than her. But if you apply this principle in percentages, you will realize that you will be able to earn more money, because the children of those children of those children and that children of that money that you are investing is going to end up becoming a bigger servant for you. You will end up have 200,000, 2 million servants working for you. I come from Ghana. I came here with nothing but my head. And I've been able to accumulate all of this in the space of 10 years, legally. So anybody sitting in this room can do exactly what I've done. What the difference between me and the rest of the world is discipline and consistency. That is the difference between Percy and everybody that sits here. The difference between Marisia and everybody that sits here. The difference between Lebo and everybody that sits here. Consistency. If you do not achieve your goal, the problem is not people achieving their goals or achieving what they've planned to achieve. The problem now is having the discipline to work towards that goal every single day.
Amen.
And it's always nice. It's nice for everybody to say, I want to make $1 million. Right? We all wish to make millions. But the point is, for you to get to that million, the question is, how many people can I serve to get to that million? And you go on definite to say, by the end of this month, I will own 1 property. The end of next year, I will own another property. I use property because that is my product. But irrespective of whatever passion that you have, you go on definite purpose, 1 step at a time.